In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter daily sales in QuickBooks Online. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step and make it as simple as possible, so let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've done that, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the New button. It's usually located on the top left corner of your dashboard. Clicking this will open up a drop-down menu with a variety of options for entering different types of transactions. For our purposes today, we're focusing on entering sales data, so be ready for the next step. Next, you'll want to click on the Pay Down Credit Card option from the drop-down menu. This might sound a bit counterintuitive if you're strictly focused on sales, but in QuickBooks Online, this function helps in managing the flow of money as it pertains to sales and expenses. Once you're in, you'll see a screen prompting you to fill out details about the transaction. Now comes the part where you add your credit card information. It's crucial to ensure this data is accurate because it's linked to your transactions. Be as meticulous as possible here. You want everything reflected accurately on your financial summaries. After entering your credit card information, you'll need to specify who the payee is. Typically, this would be the person or entity you're making the transaction with. This could be a supplier, vendor, or even a particular service provider. Enter their details in the Payee section so QuickBooks can link the transaction to the right account. The next step involves entering the amount of money you paid. Make sure you accurately enter this information to ensure your accounts are balanced at the end of every entry. Double check this entry if you need to, it's always better to be cautious here. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter the date of the payment. Again, accuracy is key. Make sure this is the actual date the transaction took place, which helps ensure your financial data reflects real-time operations. Now state how the payment was made. This could be a direct bank transfer, credit card payment, or any other method used for handling this transaction. Clearly identifying this adds another layer of accuracy to your books, enabling you to analyze your spending methods over time. Finally, after you've entered all the necessary information, double check your entries for any mistakes. Once satisfied, click on Save and Close. Doing so will ensure that the data is securely stored in QuickBooks and you're all set. And there you have it, you've successfully entered your daily sales into QuickBooks Online. With these steps, you can streamline your financial tracking and keep your records in tip-top shape. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.